How to stop a puppy from biting when excited. How to stop a puppy from biting when excited. Every year well over 4 million people are bitten by dogs. While some of these bites may be minor, others can leave serious injuries or even death. If you own a dog which bites someone, you could find yourself in legal trouble. If it kills someone, you could end up behind bars. While I don't want to scare you away from owning a dog, there are some things you will want to do to make sure your dog doesn't bite you or others. The first thing you want to do is never approach strange dogs. Even if the dog is behind a fence or tied up, it could see you as being a threat. You should also keep your own dog away from other strange dogs. It could be injured or killed if the strange dog decides to attack it. You should also avoid petting your dog without letting them sniff your hand first so that they know who you are. Under no circumstances should you run from a dog. How to stop a puppy from biting when excited. Dogs are natural predators, and will almost always chase you unless they're trained. When a dog is eating, sleeping, or caring for its young, it is best not to startle or disturb them. They may snap at or bite you. It may be necessary to neuter your dog if it is going around and getting into fights with other dogs constantly. You can also take your dog around others to keep it from being nervous when in the presence of people it is not familiar with. Dogs should also be trained not to chase anyone. How to stop a puppy from biting when excited. This is one of the most common things which leads to a dog biting someone. You should also give your dog rabies vaccinations, and never allow it to go places without your supervision. Every year well over 4 million people are bitten by dogs. While some of these bites may be minor, others can leave serious injuries or even death. If you own a dog which bites someone, you could find yourself in legal trouble. Click the link below how to stop a puppy from biting when excited.